Welcome to Profitability. Here you discover ideas, tactics, news, and information that matters to your small business and you. I'm your host, Ruth King. Thank you for joining us. Here is how we will help your business and you today. One of the keys to profitability is smart hustling. But what really is a smart hustle? How do you use it, especially in tough times? My guest today, Ramon Ray, answers this question and gives you the tips and ideas to increase your profitability. Ramon, welcome to Profitability.
Ruth, thank you very, very much. And I love profitability. I love money and cash. And I definitely, as you know, love hustle. So thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here and help share with your community. So thank you.
All right. I don't think, and this is a personal thought, and you tell me if I'm wrong, and that's fine. I don't think you can ever stop hustling.
I agree 100%. 1,000%. I think now, of course, there's times when hopefully you'll scale and focus on some other things, but I think you're right. The hustle, it's in your DNA. And I must say, in fairness, Ruth, everybody has a different jam. Some of our mutual friends, they're focused on the finance, which, as I said, is a weak area of mine. Other people, they're focused on maybe hiring and leadership. But I think the hustle factor, how can I innovate? How can I change? How can I get better? Absolutely. Epically important, always, 24/7.
Right, yeah.